Hey guys, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason, Liz, and Wyatt, and today we're gonna do a little unboxing of another Fair RC mods that they were kind enough to send us to check out. And this one is a little smaller than the first one.
We're hiding this one.
Yeah, we're hiding that one.
I don't know why.
Well, that was part of the surprise, but that's okay.
This was the other day.
Yes, this was the first FMS fcx18 they sent us a couple weeks
Fair
ago.
RC, check them out.
Yes.
They are great.
They are.
for
They have
sending
some
me
really
this.
cool trucks.
I appreciate it.
Oh, the dogs are up here checking this one out
You
today
didn't
too.
hear that? You're trying to ignore what I said.
I heard you.
Yes.
All right, and Wyatt's gonna do a little unboxing here. We're gonna see what we have in this
I keep petting it.
smaller box today. You haven't even drove that thing. That thing's awesome.
I don't want to drive it.
Really, you just want to look at it?
Yes, it just stays on the shelf.
Oh, it's fun.
Oh, it's got chicken poop on it.
Oh no.
Ah,
All right, and here we go. We got the
yeah.
Fair RC Mods box. Oh, they sent us some stickers too with this one. I asked for some extra stickers.
You asked them?
Yes, some Fair RC
On
stickers.
top of a freebie?
Well, I just want some Fair RC
my
stickers to
gosh.
check out, but
Thank you very much, Fair
yes, they're awesome.
And we got chicken poop on it already.
Yeah.
Well, did you drive this?
Yeah, I've driven it a couple
You've already
times.
done a video on it?
Yep. That thing's awesome.
Have
And I'll
you
put
driven
a
it?
I'll put a link to the description.
We need to drive it.
Yeah.
You can't take it out for the first run by
Yeah,
yourself.
well, Wyatt and I are gonna be driving this one in a minute,
That's a
so
little mini one.
yeah,
Oh my
check that
gosh.
out.
That's like ready for a pool, crawler pool.
It is. That thing is awesome. That
Bang,
is
bang,
the
bang, bang. I can just see it pushing the pool balls in the
fcx18.
It came with a bumper too, like the big one.
pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's
a
got-
mini match.
Yeah, it's got the bumper and all the
Wyatt,
lights.
you better claim that one.
It's a little different. It's got a spare tire on the back.
This
Yeah.
one doesn't have oh, they forgot to put the tire on here. Where's my spare
Yeah,
tire?
I don't
this
know.
one comes with a rear bumper, I think, doesn't it?
Uh,
This comes with the front.
yeah, no, the other one came with two
It looks,
extra front bumpers.
Oh,
Wyatt, it was quick to point that out. Otherwise, it looks pretty cool.
Oh, this looks so awesome.
I know, it's heavy.
But
How
it's got metal
cute.
wheels on it right out of the box. Look at it. Check it out. Those are metal wheels.
No way.
Yeah,
Are these metal too?
yeah, those are metal out of the box.
Where? What?
Yeah.
They don't come like that.
No, that's what Fair RC does to them.
RC
They
box,
do their,
metal wheels.
yeah, they put their mods on it
Wow.
and they sell it for a price that's
What are
not
those
that much
Bs
more.
For? BBB
BBB,
on the wheels. BB. B's.
Batrazi.
Batrazi.
Yeah, that's
What
who
are
makes
these
the wheels.
What are
Those
these
wheels are also Batrazi.
Are those fancy?
Yeah, they're nice.
Oh, wow.
Those are nice wheels, nice
This
tires.
is Batrazi on the tire?
But this small one's got something.
Anything anymore?
It's got portal axles on it for a small one.
Look at it.
And guess what? It's brushless right out of the box.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's got some lights on it. It's got, I mean, it's really decked out. It's got metal links for a small one. Most of the small ones don't
Will you
have
guys
metal
test
links.
it during pool?
During pool,
Do
we'll-
pool games?
we
so I can
will,
watch that? That'd be funny tonight.
yeah, maybe we'll do a crawler pool after we do our first run with
That'd
this
be
thing.
awesome.
Yep. We'll do a little,
You drive your Bronco, and he'll drive the new truck.
yeah.
You know who'll win.
I know dude's going to win because that thing's awesome. I'm going to get
No,
whooped.
it ain't because it's awesome. You lost to another Bronco
But
before.
anyways, there's our unboxing. Now Wyatt and I are going to take this out to the course. So we'll be right back. Okay, here we are out here at Crawler County with the fcx18. Wyatt's got the remote and we are going to try this thing out on the course and see how it performs. So go ahead, Wyatt. Let's get started. We tricked you. You in low gear now?
yeah.
Wyatt's starting off in low gear. And this thing is pretty top heavy, so we'll see what it's capable of here. You could probably increase the performance by taking off the metal spare tire on the back, but we may have to go for some less aggressive terrain, but that's pretty good. That's actually really good. Maybe if you turned your lights on, you'd be able to see better.
Yeah.
There we go. Selectable from the remote. It's got the light bar on the top and the headlights. Really cool. Just like its fcx18 Big Brother. And I will have a link to this in the description for Fair RC. This tricolor edition. And this thing is just awesome. Brushless motor, Vitrazi wheels and tires. Comes with an extra bumper. Just a really cool little crawler. Look at that. You're getting close to making it. Whoa!
I'm just hitting my bumper every
Yep.
time.
Oh, there it goes, to the bottom. Okay, on up the path. Now I'd like to see where you're going to go from here.
Yeah, I think there's any more thing.
Yeah, you might have to turn around and go back down. There we go. Here, switch it to high gear, see what kind of speed it's got. Oh, geez. That's really peppy. Whoa! Holy cow.
I can feel it.
Yeah, that's pretty quick for an 18th scale. Pop the hood open. Push the hood down. That's how the battery goes in and out. There we go. Wyatt's trying to do some crawling in high gear here. Definitely doesn't have a lot of drag brake in high gear. Rolls back. Very top heavy, that's for sure. All right, now he's back in low gear. Yep. Come around here to the other side. Looks like this might be a little more doable for this little guy. up on the bumper. There it goes. That looks like a pretty cool mountain over there for this thing. We ran over the one big rock in the gravel. But you can follow the path around maybe. You can get it turned around there. I think it can do it. Oh, close. Might be able to. Try it again. Yeah, I think that side there might be a little less steep. You follow that little path right there, yeah. There's that one little bump that your rear tire needs to get over. I'd guarantee you could probably do that without that tire on there. Crawler, why are you hogging the camera? Oh, there it goes. Ah.
Just holding me backwards.
Yep. Having a metal bead lock on the back of it for a spare is definitely not friendly to the weight. It's looking, oh, that tire's lifting. Oh my gosh, front.
I'll have to bring it over here onto this rock.
Oh, almost.
I wonder if I could have done it this way.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe I should have tried going up backwards.
You might, let's try that. As soon as you come off of this, let's go back and see if you can do it backwards. I bet you can. All right, we're gonna try it backwards. Here is the backwards attempt. We'll see if we can get that spare tire to help. Although steering probably is gonna be a little trickier.
Put that battery in the front though.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh!
Well,
in the water.
I think you can do it backwards.
I think so. I didn't have a good path right there.
Even with wet tires.
Steering is hard.
Yeah. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. All right. Okay, so it crawls better backwards than it does forwards with this spare tire on the back. But I think we'll call it quits right there. We'll get this thing back out and we'll do a little comparison with and without the tire and really give it its proper first run. But we did want to get out to the course just to get some initial feel for it. And this thing looks awesome, just like its big 10th scale brother. And very cool for what you get. Get a lot for the price. And like I said, we'll have the link in the description. And if you like this sort of content, please subscribe and we'll see you later. Thanks.